Daring Greatly is a book written by Brené Brown, a research professor, which delves into the concept of vulnerability and how it can lead to a more fulfilling and authentic life. Brown shares a story about a successful CEO who admitted to her that he had never experienced love because he couldn't allow himself to be vulnerable. In his relationship, he equated vulnerability with weakness, causing him to miss out on the richness of emotional connections. Vulnerability is the willingness to take emotional risks, be open and expose oneself to uncertainty, emotional exposure and potential failure. She argues that society often associates vulnerability with weakness, but in reality it is the foundation for meaningful relationships and personal growth. Leaders who embrace vulnerability are more authentic, inspiring and capable of building trust within their teams and organizations. The book accounts a story of a school principal who admitted to her staff that she didn't have all the answers but was willing to learn and grow alongside them. This vulnerability and openness created a culture of trust and collaboration,